Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a unboxing from Poshly. I know it doesn't say what this is on the front, but it's from Poshly. And in the video, I'm going to tell you guys what Poshly is. So if you guys want to see what I got inside this package and find out what Poshly is, then keep watching. So Poshly is an app kind of like Influenster where you can review products, but they don't give you surveys to get a product. So basically on Poshly, you fill out your profile and I think you answer a couple questions. I can't remember like what the signing up process was because I've been on the app for a couple months now. And then you just get literally endless amounts of questions. And every question you answer is a point. And the more points you get, the more likely you're going to be getting a product, or you're going to be able to get a free product. When there's a product available, you will get a notification on your phone and you get to go claim it. Now, sometimes if you're too slow, you won't get to claim the product. So once you hear that notification, get your phone and go claim that product. They also will send you discount codes if you are interested in any products. So I'll get ones for like ColourPop, Kylie Cosmetics, KKW, Cargo, a bunch of different brands I'll get coupon codes for, but I never really use them because I try like not to spend all my money on makeup. So now I'm going to tell you guys how I got this amazing package. I was like freaking out when I saw what came in here because it's insane. So in the beginning of December, was supposed to be getting a sample from Aveeno that I was very excited to be getting because I like Aveeno products and I figured it'd be great because it's winter time. So because of just the holidays and all that stuff going on, Poshly's, I guess, just distributor got all messed up because of the holidays. So then I honestly kind of just forgot that I was supposed to be getting something from them. And then a couple days ago, I got an email from Poshly saying, hey, we're sorry that your package never came, or your sample never came. We're gonna not send you what you're supposed to be getting, and we're gonna send you something else, like completely different on us. So this is that something else. And I honestly, again, kind of just forgot about the email. I came out of the shower one day and this package is sitting on my bed. And I'm like, what in God's name is this? So I go and open it and I'm like, oh my God. We'll start off with the smallest thing first. And this is a julep nail varnish in the shade Felicity. It's just a really pretty gold. And first of all, I don't have any gold nail polishes. Second, I don't have anything from Julep, and I've always wanted to try Julep. So I'm very, very interested to see what gold looks like on me. And I kind of wish I used this gold nail polish that I have on my fingers now, which is a gold glitter, with this, but I was running out of time when I was doing my nails, so I just did the glitter and left. But next time I do my nails, I'm definitely going to do both of these gold glitters because I think that would be really pretty. The next product, I've never heard of this brand before, so if you have, let me know in the comments down below. It is called Evolve H. It's a luxury organic hair care, and this is the Super Finish Polishing Balm. This product helps add some shine to your hair and helps with frizz and flyaway control. You can use this with damp or dry hair, and it's really good for prepping and heat protection, so that's always good to know. I'm very, very excited for this. It kind of sounds like an It's a 10 product, but I could be totally wrong. It didn't come in a box or anything, kind of just came like this with the scotch tape on top, but it sounds like a good product. I'll let you guys know. And then this is where it gets very interesting. First, when I opened it, this was on top, and this is a Kevyn Aucoin the eye pencil. So this is just a white eyeliner pencil from Kevyn Aucoin. Got it for free. It just looks like that, basic white. But I was like, okay, Kevyn Aucoin, okay. The box came like this because the male people just don't care, but it wasn't damaged or anything. But I mean, it's Kevyn Aucoin. This is where I almost like died. This is the Kevyn Aucoin Best of Classic box set. So inside this box, I'm gonna put it down so I don't blind you guys. You get a eyelash curler, which is very nice, by the way. I've used some of these products just because I was actually going out the day I got this, so I thought I'd try some things. So the eyelash curler is very nice. Then we got the volume mascara, which I like as well. I like this to use with another mascara, like my Buxom one, just because this wand is so tiny. But it's a really nice mascara. I enjoy it. Next, we got another eyeliner in the box, and this is just a basic black. I'll swatch it for you. Nice basic black pencil. Then in the box was a brow product. So this is really interesting. I was waiting for there to be the cap, but you just spin it up. And then right here is a spoolie. I like the brow product. It's really nice. And then an eyeshadow in the shade Coffee Bean. So this is just on brown. Oh, it's like a taupey. But yeah, that is what I got. I got all that for free. Kevin Aquan for free. So go sign up for Poshly. I'll have a link down below in the description box for you to go sign up. I thought I had like an affiliate link, or not like an affiliate link, but like my own link, like a referral link. That's what I'm looking for. But I don't. So I'll just leave a link down below for you guys to sign up if you want to sign up. And that is it for this little unboxing. Let me know what you guys think down below. Should I do like a whole review of this Kevin Aquan, the Classics box? Let me know in the comments down below if you want a video of that. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box. If you guys have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying, hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.